Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you the best FPS unlocker for Roblox and how to install it. Are you looking for a quick guide how to find the best FPS unlocker for Roblox? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so we are in fpsunlocker.net. It says here, free Roblox FPS unlocker software helps the user to increase the FPS. Roblox has limited frame rate to Roblox has limited the frame rate to 60 FPS. So if you get frustrated because of the restricted frame rate, this is the solution for you, and this is the download button right here. This is fpsunlocker.net, and the instruction here is they provide you an entirely safe FPS unlocker to enhance your game experience. And here are the steps you need to execute to get Roblox FPS unlocker. Step 1 is to download the XE files for Windows, which is this one. Step 2 is install FPS unlocker XE file. After you installed it, press Shift plus F5 to view FPS in the game. You need to be in Roblox to do this. So once you're in Roblox, press Shift F5 and then run or launch FPS unlocker.exe. And yeah, it's that simple. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.